Gusto mo ba magkaroon ng TikTok shop? In our last video, na-discuss natin ano nga ba ang mga requirements in preparation of your TikTok shop creation. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood ang video na yon, the link is up in here. I-click nyo lamang po, or you may go straight sa ating playlist na TikTok Shop Seller Beginner's Guide Series. Yes, it has begun. Nagsimula na po yung ating TikTok Shop Seller Beginner's Guide Series. Ito po yung series ng tutorial kung paano nga ba magbenta sa TikTok Shop na social commerce platform. If you're an online seller looking for another revenue opportunity para sa iyong products, stay tuned and watch this video because today I'm going to show you paano nga ba mag-sign up sa TikTok. Hello everybody, yung Mama Betchay here once again and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how you can be successful in your online selling, I give tips, best practices, tutorials, and other interesting things. So please consider subscribing and click po ang bell notification para updated ka sa aking mga bagong videos. So continuation na po ito nasimulan na natin ang TikTok Shop Seller Beginner's Guide Series and today I'm going to share kung paano nga ba mag-sign up sa TikTok. So paano nga ba tayo magkakaroon ng TikTok Shop? Okay? So in this video, this will be a how-to tutorial. So ipapakita ko sa inyo mismo kung paano nga ba mag-sign up and paano nga ba i-submit yung mga documents na kailanganin ng TikTok para ikaw ay makapagsimula na magbenta sa iyong TikTok shop. So paano nga ba mag-sign up with TikTok and how do we set up our TikTok shop? So before we go straight to our tutorial today, I'd like to do a shout out. This is a super thanks shout out. May nagpadala po sa ating previous video ng shout out. Ang pangalan niya po ay si Eman Santa Ana. Eman Santa Ana has been following me for quite some time. Shout out sa iyo, Eman. Ang sabi niya dito, underrated na e-com influencer. Suportahan natin. Konti lang to, pero sana support din kayo. Maraming salamat, Mama Betchay. Ayan, maraming salamat din sa iyo, Eman, for that super thanks. So, enable na po yung super thanks ng inyong Mama Betchay. So, it's located down below ng ating video, yung may puso po, and nakalagay po super thanks. So, if you would want to support me directly, you can buy me a super thanks. And katulad po ni Eman Santa Ana, naka-highlight po yung kanyang video. So yun po yung nangyayari. You buying a super thanks would mean your comment would be highlighted in one of our videos. Thank you, Eman! Okay, so ang requirements, let's just breeze through the requirements. Although na-discuss na to sa ating previous video, but these are the following. Mobile phone, email address, internet connection, PC, laptop, mobile, or printer. Okay? And of course, hindi lang yung pag-sign up ang ating tutorial today. Itatouch na rin yung topic natin kung paano nga ba i-fill upan yung individual seller ng mga documents. And mga kailangan natin doon ay Philippine SIS ID or yung national ID or TIN or passport. So either or po dito yan sa tatlo, pwedeng-pwede. Also, a scanned copy of those mentioned. Hindi naman kailangang nakascan siya sa mga internet cafe or kung may scanner man kayo, i-scan nyo. Pero you can take a photo, make sure na clear copy yung photo, yung picture nung mismo nung passport mo, nung TIN mo, nung national ID mo. Okay, so make sure na nakaano siya, malinaw ang pagkakakuha. Okay? So let's go straight sa ating tutorial today. I'm going to share to you kung saan nga ba tayo magsa-sign up. So ito yung pinaka step 1 or first step na gagawin natin in signing up at TikTok Shop. So all you need to do is pull up your browser. Any browser will do. And for our tutorial today, I am using a desktop. So what you're seeing right now is a desktop or PC interface. So it doesn't matter naman kung laptop or PC ang gamit mo or even mobile phone ang gamit mo, you are going to see the same interface. Ayan po. So same lang din ang makikita nyo para makasunod din kayo sa ating tutorial. So, pull up your browser and then ita-type nyo po yung seller-ph.tiktok.com. Tapos, you hit the enter sa inyong PC or sa inyong laptop. And upon hitting enter, you will see this same page. Okay? Ayan. So, don't you worry. Anyway, I will be putting the URL, itong link na ito, sa description ng video na ito para madali lang sa inyo, i-click nyo lang, no? Tapos i-save nyo na lang sa inyong bookmark, i-save to favorites nyo na lang sa inyong mga browser. Okay? So ito yung pinaka main page sa pag-sign up sa TikTok. Now, there are two ways in signing up sa TikTok. Number one is signing up with TikTok account, and number two is signing up with phone and email. So ano ang pinagkaiba ng dalawa? With this one, signing up with TikTok account, this means na kung meron kang TikTok account na existing, then ito yung i-click mo. I-click mo tong sign up. Again, kapag may TikTok account ka na, ito yung i-click mo. Sign up with TikTok account. Pero kung wala ka pang TikTok account, no, you need to start from scratch. You need to sign up and gusto mo magbenta, gusto mo magkaroon ng TikTok shop, then yung pangalawang option po ang i-click nyo, which is sign up with phone and email. Okay? So, sisilipin naman natin kung ano yung mangyayari kapag sinelect natin tong dalawang ito. So let's start with a scenario na kung saan ikaw ay meron ng TikTok account. Okay, so of course, i-click natin yung sign up with TikTok account. So click po natin yan. And this is what you are going to see. So nakikita nyo po, detected na po ni TikTok yung TikTok account na meron ka. So kaya niya na-detect kasi po yung TikTok account na ito, itong dummy na account na ito, ay naka-sign in na po dito sa aking desktop. No? So dahil detected na siya at naka-sign in na siya dito sa desktop, so it will go straight to this page and it will ask you to authorize itong TikTok account na ito. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung TikTok account na gagawan mo ng TikTok shop. Sana malinaw po ha. Bale, ino-authorize mo itong TikTok account na to, na ito rin ang gawin mong TikTok shop. Okay? Are you still with me? Okay, so I'm authorizing this TikTok account, and then when I authorize this, this is what you are going to see. Okay, so it's loading. And ito po yung makikita nyo. Okay, it would ask of your phone number, yung verification code, yung email address, and also yung verification code. Okay? So what you can do is to input yung phone number mo or your mobile phone number and then your email address. Okay? So kapag in-input mo yung phone number mo, make sure a gentle reminder na yung phone number na yan ay hindi na nagamit or hindi pa nagamit, hindi pa nagamit sa mga TikTok account creation. Kasi kung nagamit na yan, hindi po siya magpo-push through. Nadidetect po ni TikTok na nagamit na yung phone number na yan. So kumuha po kayo ng panibagong number and yun po yung i-register nyo kung kayo po ay gusto magkaroon ng TikTok shop. Okay, is it clear? Now, when you input your phone number and your email address here, it will ask of the code. Kung halimbawa, nakapag-type na tayo ng number, no? With our tutorial today, hindi ko na siya fill in for you. Okay, hindi ko na siya fill upan dahil po nakagawa na tayo ng TikTok shop. So you may be wondering bakit hindi ako makaulit-uli. Dahil po sa TikTok, one account number lang po is equivalent to one person. Okay, so ibig sabihin, one person is equivalent to one TikTok shop. Okay, so sana malinaw. Okay, so input the number, input the email address, tapos i-click mo yung send code. Okay, kapag kinlik mo po yung send code, magpapadala yan dun sa mobile number na ni-register mo. And send code ka din sa email address. Okay, ang tanong, Mama Betchay, pwede ba isa? Isa lang, phone number lang, hindi na email. Hindi po, kailangan siyang fill upan lahat. Okay? Again, fill up the phone number. Click mo yung send code. Kailangan i-click yung send code, fill up the email address, and then send code. Tapos saka kayo mag-next. Okay? Are you with me? Ayan. So that is kung may existing TikTok account ka na ha. What if kung wala? Okay, so anong mangyayari? Puntahan natin yung same link na ginawa natin kanina. Yung may dalawang option, alala nyo? Okay, so we are back to the sign up page ni TikTok. So kung nalala nyo kanina, di ba, dahil may existing TikTok account na tayo, we click on sign up with TikTok account. Okay, pero kung wala ka pang TikTok account, then you need to sign up with phone and email. Okay, so i-click natin tong sign up with phone and email. And ano nga ba yung mangyayari? Okay, so same process, no? So kung may TikTok account ka pa man naman na existing or wala, it's actually going to be the same process. So it would ask of your mobile phone number, your email address, and also yung code. Okay, so same process, indicate mo yung phone number mo, indicate mo yung email address mo, and then isend mo yung code. Okay? And then right after that, pag na-input mo na yung code na binigay niya, no? Tapos na-check mo rin yung email address mo, nandun yung code, then ilagay nyo, i-type nyo lamang po dito, then this time you need to create a password. Okay, so create ka ng password, and then you also confirm the password that you are creating. And then right after that, you just have to click submit. Okay, so ayan na. Nakapag-create na po tayo ng ating TikTok shop using yung ating existing na TikTok shop account. Okay, kasi pwede ka magkaroon ng TikTok lang na account pero wala siyang shop. Okay, na-gets nyo po? So pwede kang magkaroon ng TikTok account lang, 'di ba? Manonood ka ng mga content creators, that's it, yung personal account mo, but wala kang shop. Pero yung ginawa natin dito is we are going to create a TikTok shop. Okay? So nung finil upan natin siya, eto po yung nangyari. Okay? Meron siyang welcome message. Please make sure you are logging into the right country site and then you can start selling. Okay? Tapos meron siya ditong I have read, understood, and agree to the terms and conditions of the merchant. Tayo po yan, seller po yan. Terms of service for TikTok Shop privacy policy, and TikTok Shop official account linking terms and conditions. Okay? And then we can click on start selling na. Okay, when we click on start selling, this is what you are going to see sa inyong screen. Okay? So, eto na po yung tinatawag nating TikTok Shop Seller Center. So, ano yung TikTok Shop Seller Center? Ito po yung seller tool ng mga TikTok Shop sellers or TikTok Shop owners. This is where we are going to upload our products, This is where we can process our orders, pag meron tayong orders, and many more. Okay, so magkakaroon pa tayo ng maraming tutorial, of course, dahil itong ating tutorial today is one of the videos sa ating TikTok Shop Seller Beginner's Guide series. So I hope na abangan nyo pa yung ating pang mga videos that will, of course, involve kung paano nga ba magbenta sa TikTok. Okay? So yung next natin na gagawin after this one is, of course, to submit yung documents. Dahil hindi po ibig sabihin na nakapagawa na tayo ng TikTok shop natin, hindi na tayo magsasubmit ng ating documents. So first step lamang po yun. First step lamang po yun in signing up. Kasi hindi pa yan ma-activate yung TikTok shop mo kapag hindi ka pa nag-verify ng iyong documents. Okay, so puntahan natin paano nga ba siya isa-set up yung shop. So, of course, pupuntahan mo yung verify now. So, kapag na-verify mo na yan, so this is the page where you would need to upload yung documents na yon. So, may business type yan. Kung corporate ka, that is, pag sinabi natin corporate, kompleto tayo sa BIR na mga papeles. Okay, so meron tayong DTI, may business permit tayo, then i-select natin yung corporate. Pero itong ating TikTok Shop Seller Beginner's Guide series ay magfo-focus po sa individual. So sa mga small business owners na katulad ko. So of course, select natin yung individual, tapos ilagay mo po yung shop name mo. With the shop name, you can type any shop name naman. Ito namang option na ito, you can change later on. Okay, so lagay lang natin shop name, General Merch, Manila. Diba? So pwede natin siyang draft lang. Sabi dito, you can just draft a name now and change it later. Okay? Tapos, this is the time na i-upload mo. Ano nga ba yung isa-submit mo? Is it PIN? Or yung national ID, or yung passport. Okay? So make sure na naka-upload na to sa iyong PC. Kung PC ang gamit mo, naka-upload na siya sa laptop, no? Tsaka sa iyong mobile phone, nasa gallery na, para i-add mo na lamang yung file. Okay? So, right now, dahil ako po ay nakapaggawa na ng shop, sa TikTok, hindi ko na po siya fill upan itong passport or yung national ID or TIN. Kasi just so you know, sa TikTok po, isang tao lang po, isang account. Okay, hindi po tayo pwedeng mag-multiple accounts under one name. So kapag na-upload nyo na, bawa passport, i-add nyo yung file, i-submit nyo na po siya. Okay, ang submission naman nito, upon submitting your etong documents na to sa seller information, actually nung ginawa ko to, it took me a day. Pero nag-case study tayo, I helped 2 of our viewers na mag-open ng kanilang shop. Gumawa po ako ng Google Meet sa kanila. I've assisted 2 of our viewers. Nakakatuwa kasi yung approval niya po, while we are on a call, no, na-approve po siya kaagad. So, I guess, sinorten na yung approval ng TikTok kapag ikaw ay plano na magbenta sa TikTok platform. So, before we end our video today, let me know kung meron kayong mga katanungan. Do not hesitate to comment down below. And also, if you want assistance, guidance kung paano nga ba mag-sign up with TikTok, paano nga ba gumawa ng TikTok shop, follow me sa aking Facebook because I will be conducting batch 2 ng ating touch base on how to sign up with TikTok. So follow me on Facebook and I will be sending you the link kung paano nga ba mag-join. Actually, every Friday natin to gagawin, yung touch base natin. In there, this will be a Google Meet or a Google meeting And I will be guiding you all through the way on how to sign up and how to create your TikTok shop. Okay? I'll see you then. This is your Yo Mama Betchay once again. I'll see you in my next tutorial.